Hey guys, we are at the Big Apple. No, not New York, but in Ontario. This is basically a apple pie factory that just became so much more. It is a landmark here now. They make apple pies and all kinds of goodies, and then there's a mini putt and a petting zoo and food trucks. This is like the Canadian version of Buc-ee's, but more wholesome. Come on in with me. All our Canadian tchotchkes, and glasses, and hoodies. My weekend hoodie, ah, cute. More hoodies. Oh, all of the Apple products, apple spice pancakes. Ooh, apple cider slushy, yummy. And then all of the apple goods. Oh my God, apple fritters. And then there's other little treats. And this is where the magic is made. All of the apple products are made in-house. Apple breads and big apple pies. That's a lot. Pie. The filling. We zoom right into it. And there's all the pies. Look what they have here. Dubai pistachio brownie. They are not giving it away though. Look, front row seats. And they have a big apple market. Let's go check it out. This place is ginormous. And I hear that this place actually makes or sells the Dubai pistachio strawberry cup. They have non-alcoholic cider, but they do sell a whole bunch of ciders. Strawberry, Irabla, which is maple, all kinds of stuff. And the brewery is in-house as well. How cool. Here we find the original statue of the Mr. Peanut from 1940. He has a monocle and a walking stick. Oh my God, I want it all, but I think we're gonna get one of these later. Oh. good. Somebody broke something. Look how beautiful this Turkish delight is with the rose petals. Oh, and then there's hazelnut and rose, cherry coconut and watermelon. So pretty. And we are at lunch venues at the Big Apple. Farm to truck. Fresh burgers. And there is a fish and chip stand as well. And here's our lunch for the day. Ooh, yeah. Pulled pork, poutine. And they have a merry-go-round. And then there is a petting zoo. Get it? Because they do have a petting zoo, but you can have a few rounds at the putt-putt or the mini golf area.